Taught him that last spring. Now listen, watch this. Smells like adventure and questionable decisions. Nice try, fellas, but you put it facing Ankh my she outhouse log. Next time, hide it better.
Have you seen those viral Bigfoot forest vlogs popping up on your feed lately? You know the ones. A gorilla-looking creature just chilling in the woods, building tree houses, making pizza, or vlogging with a selfie stick like it's some kind of wilderness influencer. You might have thought, okay, who's dressing up in that costume? But nope, it's all AI generated. No actors, no camera crew, just clever prompts and a little editing magic. And get this, the TikTok account behind it blew up from 0 to over 1 million followers, and their YouTube videos, we're talking millions of views. So in this video, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to make your own viral Bigfoot forest vlog, using nothing but AI. From brainstorming and generating visuals, to setting up the character and editing a final video, it's actually way easier than you think. Step 1. Start with a master prompt in ChatGPT. I told ChatGPT, I'm making a 1-minute short video featuring a Bigfoot-style character. The tone should be fun and lighthearted, perfect for TikTok, Instagram Reels, or YouTube Shorts. Give me some creative ideas. It came back with a bunch of awesome suggestions, like Bigfoot's morning routine, influencer style, Bigfoot DoorDash fail, Bigfoot's vlog, treehouse tour, and more. Step 2, break the idea down into 7 mini scenes. Then I gave it another prompt. Break this concept into 7 short scenes, around 6 to 8 seconds each. For each one, include a detailed scene description, a text prompt for video generation, for Google Veo 3, voiceover lines to match the visuals. Step 3, enter Google Veo 3, the AI video generator. This tool can take your text and turn it into cinematic short videos with voiceover. For example, here's one of the prompts I used for the first scene. Selfie shot. A friendly Bigfoot stands in a lush green forest holding a wooden selfie stick. He's smiling, wearing a handwoven vine backpack. Morning sunlight shines through the trees, leaves rustle in the breeze. And the voiceover line I paired with it, hey guys, I'm Bigfoot. Welcome to my forest life vlog. Today we're exploring one of the largest untouched forests in the world. 1 click later, boom. First scene generated in under a minute.
Hey guys, I'm Bigfoot. Welcome to my forest life vlog. Today we're exploring one of the largest untouched forests in the world.
Step 4, repeat for each scene. Just swap in new prompts and dialogue for each part. Pro tip, before hitting generate, double check your prompt details. You can always spice things up with light effects, character gestures, or background elements. Step 5, final edit. Once you've got all your clips, bring them into CapCut, my go-to free and beginner-friendly editing tool for shorts. Trim the intros and outros for a smooth flow, add some transitions if you want, and you've got a full-blown, AI-generated Bigfoot forest vlog. And that's it! From concept to creation, everything was powered by AI. I've dropped all my prompts and tutorial links in the description below. If you want to try making your own AI videos, be sure to like, subscribe, and drop a comment with your wildest video idea. I'd love to check it out. See you in the next one.